Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what license you actually hold and why it covers your intended use. Check whether it's royalty-free, a stock license, or a copyrighted track you have explicit permission to use. Once done, collect proof, receipts, license text, or an email from the rights holder because platforms can ask for it. Next, open your Canva project, go to Uploads, and add the audio files so you can place them directly on your timeline and start editing. You should now trim, align, and mix the audio on Canva's timeline. Adjust volume and add fades for smooth transitions so the track supports, not overwhelms, your visuals. Also make sure to add visible attribution. The track title, rights holder, and license type. Place that on a credit slide or description because transparency avoids disputes. Finally, attach or reference your license proof in project notes or the published description. You finish by exporting with appropriate quality settings, MP4 for videos or WAV/MP3 for audio, so your final file preserves fidelity. Once published, monitor for copyright claims on hosting platforms and make sure you can quickly present your license proof to dispute erroneous takedowns. If a claim stands or content is blocked, contact the rights holder to negotiate permission or immediately replace the track with a properly licensed alternative so your project remains compliant and online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.